that when a person makes dua for his brother or sister in their absence, then that dua is most certainly accepted. And not just that, the angels say Ameen, and you as the one making the dua also get that dua as well. Based on that is today's family activity. Make dua for your family and friends. This is a habit that we actually need to cultivate. Not just to make dua for ourselves, but for our parents, our siblings, our children, our close family, our extended family, our friends, and the entire Muslim Ummah. So today, when you sit down, as a family, each of you sit down to make dua, perhaps before iftar, all of you are there, and each of you is making dua for yourself, but also for each one of his family members, for everyone around that table. Think of what they may need, what they may want, the difficulties in their life, and ask Allah to provide. This is such a beautiful way of building love in your heart for your family members.